One of the largest global energy events, the India Energy Week 2026, which concluded recently in Goa and attracted high-profile delegates from around the world. A big focus was on the Reliance Industries Pavilion, with its showcase of addressing India's sustainable and secure energy future, and drew huge interest from delegates and visitors.
While Reliance Industries' plans for the Dhirubhai Ambani Giga Energy Complex in Jamnagar presented to visitors the massive scale of what the company is building towards an energy-secure future, the showcase by Reliance New Energy across integrated value chains of solar, battery and energy storage, as well as bioenergy and green hydrogen businesses, spotlighted the company's deep focus on technology and innovation. Reliance showcased next-generation HJT solar modules, engineered for higher efficiency, longer life, and the highest bifacial advantage.
The company is on track to commission the 10 gigawatts peak annual capacity fully integrated solar gigafactory and then scaling it up to 20 gigawatts peak capacity over time, thereby enabling India's growing energy self-reliance.
Reliance Industries is creating a world-leading battery storage manufacturing ecosystem, from cell to containerized energy storage systems for homes, industries, and the grid.
Together with integrated solar gigafactories, the 40 gigawatt-hour battery energy storage and cell gigafactories, Reliance Industries will be providing round-the-clock sustainable power to address India's energy needs. The Smart Manufacturing Showcase revealed how AI and automation is powering India's green factories, allowing visitors an experiential glimpse. Reliance showcased renewable solutions, from smart rooftops to open access solutions, enabling commercial and industrial consumers to procure green energy.
Reliance is creating benchmarks in RE Power. World's largest solar park is getting constructed in Kutch, spread over 5.5 lakh acre land, and it will cater to 10% of India's electricity requirement. And Jamnagar has deployed world's largest rooftop solar solution as well. Digital platforms now manage renewable energy, from planning to performance.
Smart apps and real-time insights give Indian homes and businesses complete energy control. New mobility has become cleaner, smarter, connected, and future-ready.
From solar-charged swappable batteries to hydrogen transport, energy supports both movement and life. Bioenergy showcased a soil-to-fuel revolution, turning waste into clean energy and Annadatas into Urjadatas, empowering farmers as energy providers and strengthening rural India.
Powering industries and the nation with cost-competitive, scalable green hydrogen, its derivatives, and sustainable aviation fuels.
Aspiring to scale up to 3 million tons per annum of green hydrogen capacity and export green fuels, Reliance is committed to solve the energy trilemma: affordability, sustainability, and security by scaling the production of green energy. Our ambition is to transform India by leveraging indigenous technology ownership, advanced manufacturing, and a scalable enabling energy ecosystem. Reliance aims to become a world-leading new energy and new materials enterprise, bridging the green energy divide in India and across global markets.